got some temporary construction at this intersection. Getting some new poles in, proper bicycle crossings that have been quite literally 20 years overdue. Right now all the navigators are off, so everything's running automatic. You can see you got some vertical temporary signals where there's typically horizontal. You can see some temporary wire span going across for that pedestrian signal. Yeah, so it's still running split phase. But now we got a bicycle track here and over there. We got some big dirty poles going in, probably per signal, or per lane signals, sorry. Because you got 4 lanes, you got 2 regular vehicle left turn lanes and a bus slash, well, it used to be bus and bicycle, but now it might just be bus because the bicycle lane has its own track now. And then a through lane. And then a near side through signal for the bridge approach.